Service should be performed by authorized service technicians only. Please review all of the product's literature, including all safety warnings and any associated job aids before performing service on the appliance.
Today we're going to show you how to move the shelves if you want to adjust them, or how to remove them if you need to service the product. Alright, now that we're able to access the freezer shelves, we're able to get started and remove these. So there's two ways that we can remove the shelves and use the same way in reverse putting them back in. I'm going to show you the first way using pliers to remove the shelf, and then to put the shelf back in I'm going to show you the way that just using your hands you can do it. And you can reverse that process and do the same thing with just pliers or without pliers, depending on what's most comfortable for you. So to remove the shelf, what you need to do is find the center position of the bracket in the wall. Not the upper position, but the center position. And in the center position, on the left side of the refrigerator is an extra slot. So we can simply take these pliers, use these to move the bar over, and this will only move over when you're in the center position, in small steps until it's all the way over and clear of the cabinet. And now we're going to do the same in the back, accessing from either the top or the bottom, whichever is most comfortable. But again, moving the shelves to the center position so that the bar has room to move over. And once both bars are over, you're ready to remove it. You simply put your hands on the bar. There's a groove on the bottom and the front and in the back. And you can just put your fingers there to keep the bars from sliding out. And so to reinstall the shelf, you're just going to do the reverse. Keeping these bars in about the center position, moving it up. And now without pliers, the other way to put this in or to remove it, you want to put your fingers on the groove of the back, either accessing from the top or the bottom until you feel the bar, and push that bar into that cabinet groove in the back until it reaches about halfway. And then go ahead and push that shelf down. Doing the same thing in the front, you want to make sure the shelf's aligned in the middle. The groove's now on the bottom, so you just gently center the bar, make a small adjustment until both sides are down. Now your shelf's reinstalled again. And so you can do this either way you prefer most, either with your hands, with grooves, or with the pliers, depending on what's most comfortable for you.